Hello everybody, welcome to Python programming examples for beginners and professional video series. So in this video, I'm going to explain about a program to check whether a given string is palindrome or not by using slicing function. Yeah, here is my Python shell. I'll go to file. I'll take new file. Here is the question. The question says that write a Python program to check whether a given string is palindrome or not. What is palindrome? Palindrome is a word that reads same backwards as forwards. So for example, say madam, if you read madam from in the forward direction or from the backward direction, it reads the same thing. So this is called palindrome. For example, the number 1221, this is palindrome number and this is palindrome string. So let us see how to check whether given string is palindrome or not. For that I need one string. I'll take input string ins, the variable name. I'll take one string from the user by using the input function. So then I'll reverse this string. See, it is very easy to reverse this string if you are using the slicing function. What I'll do is I'll take the string which is stored in a variable ins. I will reverse this by using slice function. So yeah. So here the starting value for the slice I not given anything, end value I not given anything. That means it'll start from beginning of the position and it will go up to the end of my string. Then I have given the direction, that is the step size I have given -1. That means not traversing from right to left. The direction is right to left. If you give +1, that means we are indicating the direction from left to right. So we want the reverse of the string, so that's why I'll give a -1, so that we will get the reverse string that I have to store it in one variable. I'll call revs, that is reverse string. So in this variable there is a reverse string. In this variable, whatever string I have entered, that means the user has entered, that is there in ins. Now I'll compare this. I'll compare if ins, that is the original string, is equal to a reverse string, then print the given string, that is comma ins, the given string is palindrome, else the given string is not a palindrome. I'll save this program. Let us run this. I'll enter the string madam. Now the given string madam is palindrome. I'll run one more time. This time I'll give say Bangalore. The given string Bangalore is not a palindrome. I will give the number 1221, and so here also we are getting the given string is palindrome because Python read everything as a string. So we are getting this. Yeah, this is the simple program to check whether given string is palindrome or not. So if you use slicing function, very easily you can reverse this string and you can write the palindrome program within 4 to 5 lines. Friends, I hope you understood this. Thank you.